Welcome to our restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
Good evening. No, we don't. Table for two, please.
Sure. Follow me.
See? Good evening is a polite way to say hello at night. Do you have a reservation means did you book a table? Anna says, table for two, please. That means she wants a table for two people. The host says, follow me, which means come with me. Here is the next scene. Anna and Tom are now at their table. The restaurant is busy, but not too loud. There are flowers on the table, and the menus are big with pictures of food. Now they need to look at the menu. A menu is a list of foods and drinks you can order. The waiter comes to say hello and ask if they want drinks. Drinks can be water, soda, or juice. Let's listen to what they say.
Hello. I'm your waiter tonight. Here are your menus. Would you like something to drink? Yes, please. I'll have a glass of water.
I'll have orange juice, please.
Coming right up.
The waiter says, would you like something to drink? That is a nice way to ask what you want. Tom says, I'll have a glass of water. I'll have means I want. Anna orders orange juice. Coming right up means I will bring it soon. Now, repeat after me. Would you like something to drink? I'll have a glass of water. Great! In this scene, Anna and Tom are reading the menu. The pictures show yummy foods like salads and pasta. They decide what to eat. The waiter comes back to take their order. To take an order means to write down what you want. You can say, I would like, or I'll have. If you have questions, ask the waiter. For example, what is in the salad? Now, the conversation.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. What is the special today?
The special is grilled chicken with vegetables.
I'll have the pasta, please.
And I'll have the salad.
Okay, thank you.
Are you ready to order? Means, do you know what you want? Anna asks about the special, which is a different food each day. Tom orders pasta, and Anna orders salad. Look at this tasty scene. The food is here. The pasta looks hot and cheesy. The salad is green and fresh. Anna and Tom start eating. They talk about the food. If the food is good, you can say, this is delicious. Delicious means very good to eat. If you need something, like more water, you can call the waiter. Here's what they say.
This salad is delicious.
Yes, the pasta is great too.
Excuse me, can I have more water, please?
Of course.
Anna says, "This is delicious," to show she likes the food. Excuse me is polite to get attention. Can I have more water means please give me extra water. Now, in the middle of eating, the table has some food left. Sometimes you need help. Maybe you need a napkin, which is paper to clean your mouth. Or if something is wrong, like the food is cold, you can tell the waiter politely. Always say please and thank you. Listen to this.
Excuse me, the food is a bit cold. Can you heat it?
I'm sorry. I'll take it back to the kitchen.
And can we have some napkins, please?
Yes, right away.
Tom says the food is cold. A bit cold means not too hot. The waiter says, "I'm sorry," because he wants to fix it. Right away means very soon. Repeat, the food is a bit cold. Can we have some napkins? After the main food, it's time for dessert. Dessert is sweet food like cake or ice cream. The waiter brings a dessert menu. You can say yes or no. If you are full, say no thank you. Full means your stomach is not hungry anymore. Here's the talk.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, I'll have the chocolate cake.
No, thank you. I'm full.
All right.
Would you like dessert? Is the question. Anna orders cake. Tom says he's full. Now, the end of the meal. The waiter brings the bill. The bill is the paper that shows how much to pay. You can pay with cash or card. Ask for the bill by saying, "Can we have the bill, please?" Then you might leave a tip, which is extra money for good service. Conversation time.
Can we have the bill, please?
Here it is. How would you like to pay?
By card, please. Thank you.
And here's a tip.
Can we have the bill is important. How would you like to pay means cash or card. Tip is extra money. Last scene. They are leaving. Say thank you and goodbye. The waiter might say, "Come again," which means visit us next time. It's polite to say you enjoyed it.
Thank you for coming. Have a good night.
Thank you.
The food was great.
Goodbye.
Have a good night is a nice goodbye. The food was great shows thanks.
Thank you for watching. You've just learned English for the restaurant. Greeting, ordering, eating, paying, and leaving. Practice these at home or with friends, and watch again if you need a refresher. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to English Nova, and leave a comment. See you next time.